Negros Oriental State University Shatun campus is committed to not just educating students, but also cultivating a sense of belonging, civic responsibility, and lifelong relationships that will empower them to become active and engaged members of society. This institution has been more than just a place of learning. It has been our second home, fostering our growth and nurturing our dreams.
We started as individuals with diverse backgrounds and unique stories, from strangers to a family that has begun with uncertainty. Our journey was not without its trials. There were moments when it feels like the odds were stacked against us, especially when it seems like we weren't favored by some or on something or even telling us that we are too far from others. Kay kitara ang magpalahi o dili mag-apil-apil sa mga events or gatherings. Mga reklamador, no manners, and there are people trying to belittle us and our capabilities. But these obstacles only made us stronger, more united, and more determined to prove ourselves. Sa kabila ng mga hamon, isa namang magandang bagay ang nangyari. Sa bawat pagsubok at tagumpay, naging mas malalim ang ating samahan. Naging sandalan natin ang isa't isa, lalo na sa mga panahong gusto ng sumuko ng ilan sa atin. Naroon tayo upang mag-angat, magbigay lakas at magpaalala na kaya natin ito at matatapos din ito. And this song will always reminds us how strong and dedicated we are to pursue our dreams.
We came from nowhere, strangers to each other. One course, one family, bound by love, sweet harmony. Hand in hand, we'll reach the top with determination. Our dreams won't stop. This journey we face, me and you will win the race. Kami ang susundin ng kahiusap permi. Kami na tinabangay, walang bibiyay. Kung kami magmalang puso, ning among kursong di sayon. Magdungan ning malipayon, natugang sunton. Diploma sa among dughan, kini magpamatud nga kami nakauman. In times of struggle, we help each other. Laughters will calm ourselves to complaining states, but we won't quit. With unity, we'll find a way. Together we stand, we give our best. Friendship we build will never fade in our hearts. Kami ang susundin, nagkahiusap permi. Kami na tinabangay, wala bibiyay. Kung kami magmalang puso, ning among kursong di sayon. Magdungan ning malipayon, katugang suton. Diploma sa among dughan, kini magpamatud nga kami nakauman. Together, forever, we can do this with each other. Together, forever, we're not going to surrender. Together, forever, we can do this with each other. Together, forever, we're not going to surrender. Kami ang susundin
unwavering support, encouragement, and love. Your sacrifices and guidance have been a constant source of strength and motivation. Kaya naman sa aming mga magulang, thank you for the love, the strength to persevere. Thank you for believing in us, even when we found it hard to believe in ourselves at times.
To our esteemed instructor, thank you for your dedication, patience, and wisdom. Your mentorship has not only enriched our academic journey, but has also shaped us into better individuals. Thank you for pushing, challenging, and guiding us to our growth. We are grateful for your commitment and dedication. Ganun nag-edo ka? Nag-edo ko kay na akong amiga. Tanawa na nga unsa na taan ni ron. Abijud nato ang pag-edong sayon, pero di ay murag makamahay. Pero ayaw ana kay naatay pangandoy, dapat laban lang jud kadunay. From the word madahan, usahay ang galamon, di na jud madahan. Nailason kan nga walay kahumanan. Like, unsay gamit nimo, Manila paper or cartolina? Hala, palit lang ang marker kay di na muagi or hanap na jud siya. Ay, kapoy man din yung kursuha. Dili na ako kaya. These are the words that comes in our mouth. But we say, nganong ni-enter? Kaya rani nato together. Kaya sa kapwa ko mag-aaral, kayo ang mga katuwang ng bawat isa sa pagharap sa lahat ng hamon. Sa bawat pagsubok at pagbangon, nariyan kayo upang magbigay ng inspirasyon at lakas. Ang ating pagkakaisa ay patuloy na magbibigay sa atin ng lakas upang harapin ang anumang pagsubok. Layo pa pero layo na ta. Lisod man pero na'y kahumanan ang tanan, kay ang kalisod temporaryo lamang. Tulog man galing kayo kay lagi kulang sa pagpahuway tungod sa mga gamunon. Lisod makabuton ang sleep well. Maong padayon misag mura na taggakamang. Pila na lang katikang hapit na nato umabot ang kinatumyang ang-ang. Magkuyog tang tanan nga magmalampuson, misag lisod ug dako pang subidahon. Daghan na tang naagian, hilak, kaguol, kakapoy nga murag dili mahuman, pero atong hinumduman kaning tanan lumalabay lamang. Salig lang dapat sa kaitasan, kay iya nang ipahiluna ang tanan. As we move forward, let us carry with us the resilience and unity that have defined our journey. We have proven time and again that we can overcome any obstacle. Believe in ourselves just as we have believed in each other. The future is ours to shape, and we are more than ready to embrace it. Padayon Suksod Sri.